Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In yesterday video, we have built navbar and logout button. So in this video, we are going to build a notes card for our notes app. So let's build. First we need to create a component for it. So let's create note card.tsx. Then we are going to write a snippet of React. Then it is going to be notes card. Then we are going to import cards. Okay, let's import card. Then we need card title, card description, card content. So let's import it. First we imported card. Then we need card title. Okay, card header, card title, card description, card content. We don't need card footer. So let's remove that. Then we are going to import button. Button. Next we are going to import. Let's import icons for our notes card. Now you can see I have imported all the icons which are needed for our notes app. Then we need drop down menu. So let's install it from the .cn. So let's import this. Let's import. Okay, we need to use this. Okay, let's use. Now it will install drop down menu for our notes. So let's wait. It will install. First we are going to create card our card. So let's, we don't need div. Let's remove that. Then we are going to import card. Okay. Then we have card header. Then we will have card header. Then we will have card title. Sorry, card content. Then now our drop down menu is installed. So clear the terminal. Next we are going to import it. So let's import drop down menu. Okay. Drop down content, drop down. Next drop down menu item, drop down menu trigger, import from UI. Okay. Let's import it. Then we are going to use here. First we are going to declare the type. So let's declare here interfaces. Interface note is going to be ID, is going to be number. Then we will have title. Then it is going to be string. Then we will have content. We don't have updated at and created at. Just we have ID, title, and content. Then we are going to declare interface. Interface for nodes card props. So nodes card props. Then note is going to note. Then we need on edit and on delete. So okay, on edit is going to be note. Then void. It is not written anything. So no on delete is going to be note ID is going to be number. Then it is going to void. Yep. Let's in notes card. Then we are going to add note on edit and on delete. So let's add it. Type is going to be notes card props. Then we are going to add in notes header. We are going to add note title. So we are going to add card title. Under the card title, we are going to add notes dot title. For our main app. For now we are going to add dummy first note just for the demo purpose. Then we are going to add drop down menu here. Drop down menu, drop down menu. Now I have added drop down menu. Next, we are going to add drop down trigger as child. Then we are going to add drop down item. Before that, we are going to add button. More variant is going to be ghost. Then size is going to be icon. Then logo is going to be more vertical. So let's add that. Then then we are going to add drop down item. So let's add that drop down item. Okay, we don't need drop down content. I think. Yep. First, we need to add drop down content. Then we are going to add drop down item inside the drop down content. So let's add that. Then we have drop down item. Then on click is going to be on edit note. Okay, correct. Then we have end align end. Okay, perfect. Then we have pencil. We are going to add pencil for that. So yeah, is going to be. I think we need to add button. Wait. Then we have drop down item. Then we have drop down item. On click is going to be node.edit. Okay. Then we have trash to. Okay. Spam is going to be okay. It is correct. Drop down content. Okay. Close. Then we close it. Drop down item for okay. Now it is looking good. For the drop down content, we are going to add uh, paragraph is going to be this. For demo purpose, we are going to add demo paragraph, demo content, demo content. Then what card content component? We have two card content. Let's remove that. Then our notes card is going to be complete. Then we are going to test it. So let's import notes card in our home page. Let's import it where app page. For the demo purpose, I created dummy functions and dummy node. Let's try this. Let's run the server. npm run dev. Our server will start. Let's open in Chrome. Let's open in Chrome. Let's refresh. Now you can see now our card is ready. It is showing like first node. Then we have drop down. Then you can see edit, delete, but we need to style it. So let's style it. We need this button here in the right side. So let's add that. Let's open. Let's go to notes card component. Where is notes card? Okay. Notes card. Let's add in the card header. We are going to add flex. Class name is going to be flex. Then justify between. We are going to add justify between. Now let's see how it is looking. What the Now you can see we in the right side we have edit button and delete button. It is going to be title. Then it is going to be demo content. Let's change it for the purpose. Let's let's change the card title. So let's change it. Then we are going to change the card content also. Let's add content. Subscribe to my PHA channel now. Spelling mistake. मैं तो अनपढ़ हूँ भाई. Let's add for the note. For the note, we are going to add Main rule. Let's check. Now you can see main rule. Subscribe to my channel now. In the right side we have edit button and delete button. Let's change the color of the delete button to red. So let's change. Go to next. In the drop down item we are going to change. So let's trash 2 is going to be icon 4. Okay. Let's we are going to add text red 500. Next we are going to add on the text also class name text is going to be red 500. Let me check how it is looking. Now you can see our delete button look like reddish, fully reddish. When the user will press, then it is going to be console log. Just I wrote the dummy. For when user click delete, then our post will delete. That's it for this video, guys. In next video, we are going to fetch all the nodes from the database and we are going to store it in the grid form. So stay tuned and subscribe.